Hello again, my name is Gene Campbell. I'm a retired building contractor. I am an amateur knife maker. I made a couple, and I've got a couple of videos that I started that I told you I'd follow up on finishing the knife and the sheath. And so here we are. It's going to be a short video, so I'm going to take this off right now. I don't know if you noticed, in 2016 I had a motorcycle accident that just about destroyed my right leg, and I was in a wheelchair for about 2 years. So I came from working at a nuclear plant at about 72 hours a week, or some more down the hall there, to kind of forced retirement. There's some knives that I did with a plaque. Actually, my brother helped me. He made the big knife, and he and I together put a handle on it. So I got into painting just to kind of kill my time. I gave them all away except for about a dozen. Anyway, my leg has done better, so I'm walking around. I still, like I say, it was forced retirement, so I had to go from 72 hours a week to forced retirement. If I can get this thing zoom in. You don't want to do it. Yeah, there you go. This is the knife that I was working on, and the sheath. I didn't video it because it's basically, I posted a video on how to make a leather sheath, which goes into everything. The guy did a fantastic job. I followed his video to a T to make this sheath, and it turned out great, I think. And the knife, the last time I showed you, it was rough. I had to do a lot of hand sanding and then finishing. So I did use a chisel to taper this right here down to a finer edge. But basically what it boiled down to was a lot of hand stitching, a lot of hand sanding, and just watching paint dry. So I didn't video it. And there's the final result. And as you can see, I think it turned out pretty nice. So that is the extent of my knife making. That's my third knife, and I think it turned out real well. So I appreciate you watching these videos. And if you haven't watched it all, you can go back to the first video and go from there. So thank you for watching.